Equate TENS and EMS pain therapy, easy, safe and effective pain relief.
Product details. Ease tension and give your feet some much-needed relief with Equate TENS and EMS pain therapy.
This set of electrodes provides easy, effective and safe pain relief from lower limb pain, chronic intractable pain, sore muscles from work, exercise or household activities, being on your feet all day and arthritis. TENS Transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation is a safe, non-invasive, drug-free method of pain relief that delivers low-voltage pulses to the skin to stimulate nerve fibers, effectively blocking the pain signals being sent to your brain.
Electrical muscle stimulation (EMS) is the elicitation of muscle contraction using electrical impulses, often used as a method of strength training and rehab. With this innovative device, you can reap the benefits of both these technologies from the comfort of your own home. It is easy to use by yourself and can be carried along anywhere.
The different modes and timer settings ensure that you remain in control of your own treatment.
With proper usage of Equate TENS and EMS pain therapy, you will soon experience the difference in the pain management of your feet and get one step closer to a more healthy and active life.
Making the right health decisions can be challenging.
With a complete range of products and simple solutions, Equate allows you to take care of your family with confidence.
Equate TENS and EMS pain therapy. Set of electrodes for relieving foot pain.
TENS Transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation delivers low-voltage pulses to the skin to stimulate nerve fibers and block the flow of pain signals to your brain. EMS electrical muscle stimulation is the elicitation of muscle contraction using electrical impulses.